In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from WordPress and bring it over to Squarespace, ensuring a seamless and smooth transition. Now, this might seem like a daunting task if you haven't done it before, but trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it with confidence. So, let's dive right in. First off, we need to unlock your domain on WordPress. Think of this as taking off the padlock from your domain, making it possible to transfer it out. To do this, start by logging into your WordPress account and heading to the dashboard. Once there, look for the section labeled Domains. Under this, you'll find a list of all the domains you own. Select the domain you wish to transfer. As you click on it, you'll see some domain settings. What you're looking for is the option that says Unlock Domain. Once you click it, you're essentially giving permission for this domain to move to a new registrar. Now that your domain is unlocked, the next crucial step is obtaining your EPP code. This code is like a secret password that authorizes the transfer of your domain. Think of it as your domain's special key. While still in the domain settings, look for an option that says Transfer Domain. Click on it. You will see an option that allows you to request your EPP code. Some places refer to this as an authorization code. Once requested, the code will often be sent directly to the email associated with your WordPress account. Keep it handy as you'll need it very soon. Okay, with your EPP code in your possession, we're ready to hop over to Squarespace to initiate the transfer. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the domain section. Here you'll find the option for transferring a domain to Squarespace. Click on Transfer Domain. A prompt will appear asking you to enter the domain you're wanting to move. Type it in carefully. Then, when prompted, input the EPP code you received. This step is crucial as it's what authorizes Squarespace to begin the transfer process. Now, the very last step is to confirm your transfer. Squarespace will guide you through some final steps, which usually involve accepting the terms of service and confirming that all the information provided is correct. You might also receive an email to confirm the transfer. Click the confirmation link if you receive such an email, as it's often required to proceed with the transfer. And there you have it. The transfer process is complete. Keep in mind that it might take a couple of days for everything to fully transfer over to Squarespace, but once done, you'll have complete control of your domain in its new home. I hope this guide has been helpful, making what seemed like a complex process much more manageable. Thanks for tuning in and happy transferring.